Driving the new CLA is all about the experience. And with the MBUX, this experience is better than ever. With just one touch, you can adjust the settings that range from seat positions to driving mode, all according to your preferences. You can choose from different themes and 64 colors of ambient light to set the perfect mood. The new CLA listens. You can talk to it in the most natural way, like talking to a friend. Like this. Hey, Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Is it a nice day outside?
It's sunny with 26 degrees.
Okay, time to get out of here.